Hi, welcome back to the Shopify video. I want to show you in this video how we're going to import reviews from AliExpress or Amazon into your Shopify shop. And I stumbled upon this and I thought, why not try this live on a video? So let's see if this works. To test this alongside with me, you go to chrome.google.com/webstore. It's just your Chrome web store. You type in O below and then it says import, export, review, AliExpress, Amazon. And I'm just going to try this live on video. Don't know what happens. It's the standard process, like everything. But how to use it? Okay, we go to AliExpress. I think we open one of the products that we imported. Maybe I still have this open. This is the shop. This is one of the products I imported. Let me see if we can use this. Aha! The light goes on and it's like export product reviews from AliExpress. Enter your product handle. How the heck do I get a product handle? Okay, I have to log in. Let's just quickly review. Okay, that does not tell you anything. Be able to see reviews on your store. Let's try it again. Oh. Get reviews. Now to sign up for product handle. This is going great. I think this is my product handle. Hop, get reviews. Just check this video. That one's a Shopify product. Let me just mute this. Okie dokie. And then you select this, and that is great. You just let other people create your video. Oh. Okay, let me just continue with my tutorial. So, what will we do? Importing this. So this product has not been imported into my web shop because where the heck is my Opal import list? Okay, let me just import this one. Casual. Okie dokie. Push to shop. Let me see if the images match. Nice images. Ding, 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 ding. Push this product to the shop. And then let me go back to my shop. Then you check the product you just added, which is casual dress. That will make it easier to find it in the shop. Casual. How many things are casual? This is it. So we go down to where it says Flag tags, this. Was it this? Wasn't this, was it? Go back to your video. Search engine listing URL and handles. Now what the heck did I do different? Where the heck is my laptop? It's here. Edit. Is this one? And then we use this one. So you should click on this, product handler, get reviews. You have to log in. Don't have an account, register for free. Well, I'm just quickly gonna make an account. Call it fashion trends. No, maybe not the best name. Remember me? Okay. Nah. Number of domains 1, it's all free. Import reviews. Hide image URL. Oh no, I would like to hide this. So, it turns out that you need to register for the free plan. So they can upsell you to the other one. So, you can register. Name, email address, and then you sign up. Price of your membership is 0. So after you sign up, this will actually work. So you hit the button, give it your product handle, which you can find in the SEO. No, App Shop is gone again. I need to close some windows. This is ridiculous. Yesterday's videos. So your URL handle, you find it in the edit SEO settings. Make sure this is all correct. Then it's gonna download the reviews. Like I'll see you in the video. So it will export the reviews, and then you can just upload them. Don't think this is a really good option. First of all, it links back to the AliExpress. Second of all, I don't like it. It's too iffy. You have to sign up there. So you can give it a try. I might give it a try because I like having reviews. But on the other hand, if you set up a good campaign, Facebook campaign, you will get reviews anyhow. So let's see how we do reviews with a different option. Reviews. So there's instantly 2 apps that show up. Click product reviews with custom photos. That looks cool. See, and this is why I make these videos. I spend a lot of time just trying out new stuff, figuring out what works, running into all the problems that other users have. I look for the reviews. Why does one guy say it's amazing and the other guy goes like, it's total crap? See, horrible. As soon as I got the app, my website was labeled by Facebook and Instagram as unsafe, containing abuse and malicious content. Okay, see, so that's why I do things like this. Because if you just install any app that's out there, it will impact your web shop. So I spend a lot of time trying this on new web shops that I know make videos of, and I make these videos just to show you that it's not just click, click and go, but there's some horrible effects that could happen. Yeah, Google Markup Helper product star do not appear. Didn't work with Brooklyn theme, so be careful about this app. This will ruin your site completely. Never import reviews as the spam folder gets the site broken. I had eased so many issues, and that's a few months ago. And why is the other half of those people saying that it's amazing? Our shop Shags looks good and professional. Let me test that. It's always a good thing to look at other people's shops. Smiley shop gifts for her. You instantly see social proof featuring Discover More, No N. We like this with the heart options. You see, this is a very simple theme. It just has like a shade here, a pink shade, spotlight on. Wonder Workshop. Our mission. Follow us on Instagram. Happy Mother's Day. So this is a shop that you could just model. Logo. You have some navigation here. You can even see jewelry, gifts, fashion, home living, food and drinks. So this might be something that I could model. Jewelry, necklace, bracelet, very easy. Gift for home, man, woman, cat, blah blah blah. Fashion, women, man, accessories. So that looks good. Let's see if they got reviews, because I just went to the other side. I just want to instantly hack this entire website. And by hacking I mean like model it. Let's relate the products on here. Review. No reviews. Shipping. Okay, so I don't actually see reviews here. Let me try something else. Reviews. There's no reviews. So I cannot really say that this is an honest review about this app because they are not using it. I do like the tabs here. Description, returns. So don't really know that real amazing guys team. Don't really know if you want to have these reviews on your site. So we tried the looks, fashion reviews, YouTube. So don't really think you want reviews from this extension. So always make sure there are tons of other extensions. I don't say you don't use them, but if you give it a try, do your due diligence. Like I said, some people think it's amazing and other people hate it. So there's always a middle road in there. And obviously you cannot blame the extension if there's a little tweaking necessary. And if they seem to react instantly on their support. So they react really quick, so give it a try. This was a live demonstration of an extension. Didn't really go that well, but still wanted to show you how you can look for other shops, how you can see if a module works. So it's not an entire waste, this video. So you find different shops, you find different things if you just start playing with it. And I hope you are playing with it. I hope you already installed your website, you already created your 14-day trial, installed some products. I showed you how to do the returns and exchanges and privacy policies. I showed you how to set up the menu. So you could be having a live store now. And all this, what we're doing now, is extra. It's like your shop is working, you can accept payments, but what does a customer want more? And that could be more information, social proof, like here, little messenger option. These are all things that we're gonna install in the videos to come to make your Shopify shop awesome. So we'll even check fashion twins. We're going back to my shop. So this looks a little bit like this, just to compare and just go totally off topic in this video. You can see it's different. They got the card there, they got a wish list, they got a banner here on top of their menu. So I could use this banner as well. They got contact information in there. Got a slider featuring. This looks like it's the latest products. That is cool, might do that. Discover more, and what did I call it? Check out the fashion trends collection. No, I'm gonna model this, discover more. This is quite cool. Skincare, hats, food love. Then new win. I don't have new win. Featured. Spotlight, we could make workshops there, okay. Mission, and so you can model an entire website, and you see that I still want to install the Messenger app. I want to install Instagram. I want to have some different popping colors, because this is now just grey, and I would like to make a logo. So a lot to do for next videos. So I hope you like that. Play around with the customer reviews. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if it can help you. And see you in the next video.